Northamptonshire Steelbacks hosted the Lancashire Lightning in the second NatWest T20 Blast game in 3 days at Wantage Road. The Steelbacks were looking to bounce back after a 2-run defeat to Birmingham on Tuesday. The home side were put into bat, with the in-form openers Richard Levy and Adam Rossington making a solid but steady start. Rossington made 29 from 16 balls before he went to Junaid Khan, before Ben Duckett collected his second duck in 3 innings and the run rate began to slump. But Steelbacks had a chance of a competitive total with Richard Levy at the crease. The 16th over going for 25 runs. Late sixes came from Alex Wakely and Rory Kleinveld, but only 11 runs came from the final 2 overs, meaning the total to defend was 158. The Steelbacks came out firing as they took to the field, Richard Gleeson bowling Liam Livingston with what is now becoming a trademark Yorker. Richard Levy then managed to hang on to a catch from Aaron Lilly. After taking a nasty looking collision, Levy would leave the field for treatment for the rest of the innings. The second wicket in an eventful second over came as Kleinveld had Carl Brown nick behind to Adam Rossington. The big wicket was that of Joss Butler, and when he was dropped on 6, the Steelbacks must have been thinking that could prove costly. But Richard Gleeson produced another fine delivery that was too good for the England international. And things got even better for the Steelbacks when captain Stephen Croft was run out by Tom Sole, who was on for the injured Levy. That left Lancashire at 25 for 5 and in need of a partnership to keep them in the match. Dane Villas and Ryan McLaren delivered just that, putting on 91 runs in just 60 balls. The partnership got Lancashire right back into the match. Villas hit 40 before being caught by Stephen Crook at long on, off the returning Azarullah. Gleeson then returned to York Jordan Clark, second ball, and Nathan Buck hit Stephen Parry's off stump to leave McLaren having to win the game on his own. 26 were needed from the final over. McLaren hit the first 2 balls for 6 beyond long on, and then holed out to mid-off as Lancashire's hopes were finally extinguished. The Steelbacks winning by 11 runs.